Greetings all, my name is Stephen Lentz, and I am here to tell you about a quick channel update. I've noticed a bit of an uptick in subscribers over the last month, and wanted to post a video to let you know, first off, thank you very much, and that I am still here, still working on making more videos. Since the last video, A Brief History of TWI Part 3, I've been quite busy with work rolling out job instruction and making videos similar to the ones I post here. I also wanted to let you know that I am changing the format of these videos ever so slightly. As I was making the last few videos, I noticed the videos getting longer and longer, which takes more time to put together. I've decided to do smaller videos with a cap of about 5 minutes focusing on one section at a time. This will allow me to make more videos a lot sooner and more frequently. I really appreciate the support on these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell to get notified on new videos or updates. My name is Stephen Lentz, and I hope you stay safe, have fun, and rock on.